In this guide, I'll show you how to sync your Firestick remote to your TV so you can adjust the volume using the Firestick remote. So the first thing you want to do is go to settings on the right. Then you want to scroll down and select equipment control. And we're going to go to manage equipment. Now from here, you want to scroll down and select TV. And then once you've selected TV, we're going to scroll down again and we're going to select change TV. Now, when you do that, it's going to ask you to go through a guided setup. We're going to go to change TV, and it'll just take a couple seconds to bring you to this page where it's going to ask you what type of TV you have, and you want to select that. Then it's going to ask you to turn your TV off for 10 seconds, and once you turn it back on, it's going to bring you to this sound test where you want to turn your volume up and down just to make sure that it's working properly. Now, I've seen across different Fire Sticks, in some cases, the TV will just say immediately that your remote has been paired and you don't have to go through the sound test. But in my case, I had to. So if this video was helpful, a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.